Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I am sharing how I prepare Krishna Janmashtmi Prasad in just 30 minutes. So let's start. सबसे पहले I will start with dry roasting ajwain, that is carom seeds. Here I am taking 1 cup of ajwain and we have to roast it on a very slow flame. Just lightly roast it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it is done, keep it aside and let it cool down. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keep the flame on medium to high and add gond, also known as Indian gum or edible gum. Once it is fried and puffed up nicely, take it out. I am adding around 4 to 5 spoons of gum here, as I really like the crunch of it, but you can adjust the quantity as per your choice. I wanted to make this prasadam very quickly, so I am adding ghee in the same pan for panjari. Add around 2 to 3 spoons of ghee and 1 cup of coriander powder. Again we have to roast it very lightly, so do it on a slow flame for a few minutes. If you want, you can add crushed almonds also while roasting. After 5-6 minutes, switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now we'll come back to ajwain, and I am using 1 cup of jaggery for 1 cup of ajwain. Adding half cup of water also so that it doesn't burn out. Keep it on medium to high flame and let it dissolve. In the meantime, put roasted ajwain in the blender and blend it coarsely. Once jaggery is melted properly, add coarsely grounded ajwain, half cup of coconut powder and crushed almonds. Mix it properly and then add fried gond. In last, I am adding just 1 spoon of ghee. Mix and switch off the flame here. Transfer it immediately in a thali or a tray. Press it and set it using a spatula. Dip spatula in cold water to give finishing. Let it cool down and it will set in couple of hours. Roasted coriander powder is perfectly cooled down, so now I am adding sugar. I am using half cup of sugar and remaining fried gond. Make sure you sieve the sugar powder before adding to the coriander powder so that it will be lump free. Mix it nicely and it's ready. Ajwain, I will cut it into small bite-sized pieces because it's very strong. It looks little soft from inside, so I have tried making few laddus as well. I have put it on a cooling rack and hopefully it will set it in one day. I hope you will try this recipe. Wish you all happy Janamashtmi. Hare Krishna.